Hi, I'm Susan Nieves and welcome to my channel. I love drawing since I was a kid and it's always been my biggest passion. I grew up with my family in a small, beautiful town in Nueva Vizcaya province, Philippines. And at a young age, I had my family of my own. Year 2007, I began working abroad and far from my loved ones is the biggest challenge that I face, and also to my passion in arts because of everyday busy schedule as working as an OFW. But still, I find ways sometimes during my rest days. So then, over the past 5 to 6 years since I started painting, I try to teach myself almost everything that I need to know about painting and try to figure out what is the best thing for me to learn to improve my artwork. I live in Hong Kong for almost 10 years now, and it's a beautiful place surrounded by beautiful white sand beaches, some lakes and waterfalls, mountains, flowers and animals, and almost everything that I love to put in my canvas. Nature has always been my inspiration in my artwork, and as I consider realistic artwork and practice the most, I come to appreciate the one who made them. And as an expression of gratitude, I try my best to follow every single details that is in my references. I create this channel not only documenting my journey as an artist, but to inspire you as well to pursue your passion in arts and in music, design, whatever it may be. And if you like to support me in my journey, I did portrait and landscape commission like this one, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, where I post some of my artwork available for you. In this channel, you can find painting outdoors, real-time lapse, painting tutorials for beginners, color mixing techniques and demonstrations, and also visiting local galleries, and of course, fun time with friends. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for listening my story. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I posted a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.